This is the first video I am making of my GreenStalk Basque Peppers. And I've got 4 plants here in the bottom of this GreenStalk. Of course, I've got the spinner bait, or spinner base. In fact, let's just walk around here. And we've got some ripening, and we've got a bunch of green up in the leaves that have not yet ripened. These are really, really nice looking peppers and producing a ton. A lot more than I thought they would, given the situation here in the GreenStalk. As a point of reference, all 4 are planted on one side of the bottom. Oh, look, we've got a big bumblebee there. And this is one of them that popped up from that bottom tier and even growing a pepper. These things are doing really well in here. I've also got some shishito peppers, not shishito, padrone, which are right here. I planted those in the higher tiers, and this has just been fun. I will continue to update you as things go on. I did try a Basque pepper from my plots, and boy, it had more kick than I expected. They're supposed to only have 4,000 Scoville, but it had a kick. And that is awesome. So I harvested the other red peppers and made a really nice hot sauce. The Basque peppers did very well in those, or did very well in that hot sauce. I made quite a few bottles, 10 5-ounce bottles almost. The 10th one wasn't quite perfectly full. Let's go over here, hoping shade's not gonna get in our way. And we have a nice cluster of big, reddish turning peppers. Maybe let's slide this over just a little bit. Oh yes. Look at that, guys. And look at that one over here. It's always hard. I've got 4 peppers, Basque peppers in these pockets. It's always really hard to get the light perfect on all of them. So some are gonna be a little bit more advanced than others. But either way, it looks like, unless the weather goes really, really south, I think it's September 13th today. If the weather goes really, really south, that's the only thing that's gonna keep me from having a nice, big second batch, outdoor batch anyway, of hot sauce. We are about 3/4 of the way through September, and the nights are starting to cool down a bit, and we're really starting to get some ripe peppers in these Basque peppers. This is just the first plant. So let's spin this around. There we go. Very nice. Look at over here. Lots of red. These are really, really tasty. They do really well in hot sauce, and they still have some zip. If you need to get punched in the face with spice, then you need to mix these with hotter peppers. But if you like just a little zing, lots of flavor, these are definitely what you want to do. We've got that green one there. It'll be interesting to see after I pick these, the ones that are ripe. There's several that I need to pick today or tomorrow before the rain comes. We'll see if this one and some of the other green ones, because there's still quite a few green ones. Like right here, big green ones, and on the porch back there, got a bunch of green ones. That will be interesting to see, and I will keep you posted for that.